Here's all my monster trucks. It filled up the whole table, and here's the truck we're gonna race with. This one is kind of bumpy. It'll not make it go to the side or go to that side or fall. Okay. Here's the magnetizers. Okay, this when you go down it, like you have to try to knock one of those over on four. Okay, these are the two monster trucks we're racing with. Which one do you think's gonna win?
Who are they?
I don't know what that one name is, but Warriors. And that one's Warriors.
Odd Squad.
I call Odd Squad. I don't know what the... Oh, Octonator. It's Octonator. Which one do you think's gonna win? Ooh, everybody's thinking the Octonator because Octonators is actually cool. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nobody won, but...
Try that again.
Okay, but this one won, but to not knock them over. So that one still won. And here's the next two we're gonna race with. Whiplash and Grave Digger. Which one do you think's gonna win? Everybody's thinking Grave Digger. Grave Digger is actually really popular. There's all kinds of different Grave Diggers. Like this one right here, and there's a truck one somewhere here. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
We'll try that again.
Here, come back. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That one won. Whiplash won, but still did not knock over them. Nobody knocked over that yet. Oh, come on. Here is Soldier Fortune and Bonnie Hunter. Which one do you think's gonna win? Everybody's thinking Soldier Fortune because Soldier Fortune is actually cool. First one that I saw that had 4 BKTs on a tire. See that? She's 3, 2, 1. Bonnie Hunter won, but it still did not knock down the tire. Okay, next up is going to be Alien Invasion against Zombie. Which one do you think is going to win? Everybody's thinking Zombie because Zombie actually moves on his arms and is actually cool. Okay, let's get racing. 3, 2, 1. Zombie knocked down the tire. He's in first place. First one that knocked down the tire. The tower. Here's Great Cup Small Player against Team Hot Wheels. Which one do you think is going to win? Everybody's thinking Great Cup Small Player. Great Cup Small Player is actually cool. 3, 2, 1, go! Great Cup Small Player won because he actually knocked down the tire first. Okay, next one is Northern Nightmare and High on Occasion. Okay, which one do you think is going to win? Everybody's picking Northern Nightmare. Northern Nightmare is actually cool a little bit. It's where it changed colors underwater. 3, 2, 1. Nobody knocked down the tire. It was a close one, but High on Occasion won. Okay, let's get racing. 3, 2, 1. Nobody knocked down the tie, but it is a close one. I think horsepower won. Yeah, horsepower won. Horsepower won. Okay, here is Megalodon against Grave Digger. This tape on the back because I was making flags. Okay, which one do you think is gonna win? Everybody thinks Grave Digger because Grave Digger, this is actually the coolest one. And second, BKT's on a tire. Okay, let's get racing. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Great. Megalodon knocked down the tower. He's gonna be in the championship tonight. Okay. Next is Hotel Loco against Backwards Bob. Backwards Bob is actually playing it. Which one do you think is going to win? Everybody's thinking Hotel Loco because Hotel Loco is actually a fire one. This is the fire. There's an ice one too. Okay, let's get racing. 3, 2, 1. Hotel Loco knocked down the tower. He beat it Backwards Bob. Okay, next is gonna be Crustacean against Crustacean against Earthshaker. Every my chunks keep falling down because it's next to the edge. Which one do you think is gonna win? Crustacean? Everybody's picking Crustacean because it has this. I don't know what it's called. And claws. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Crustacean won because he knocked down the tower first and Earthshaker. Crustacean is in the championship. Next is going to be Lodos against Hotel Loco, the regular one. I call Hotel Loco rainbow tires because it actually has rainbow tires. Okay, which one do you think is gonna win? Hotel Loco? Everybody likes the like rainbow one. It's cool. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Lodozo won because he got the first and he knocked down it. It's hard to put these magnet tiles up. They always keep falling down. It's hard with those ones. Okay, Lodozo won. Okay, next is all these last chunks keep falling down. Okay, next is Cyclops against Bakugan Dragonoid. Which one do you think is going to win? Bakugan Dragonoid? Bakugan Dragonoid actually moves. Did you guys saw that? Like when this one was like this. I bet you guys saw it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. See, I told you these all keep going. 3, 2, 1. Back you got Dragonoid. He knocked down the tower with his this. Just checking he's in. Okay. Next up is going to be Monster Mud Dalmatian Dalmatian. Monster Mutt Dalmatian actually has a tail, a tongue and teeth and tail and nose. And then it's okay, let's get away. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Great Digger won because he knocked down the tower. Look at my Dalmatian. She almost knocked down the tower too, but the old Great Digger won. Okay. I just don't have room for all these because I have 35 Monster Jam trucks. One time one person had 150. What? Okay, next is going to be zombie. Wait. Oh, I did zombie. Okay. Scarlet Bandit and Scooby-Doo. Which one do you think is going to win? Scooby-Doo? Everybody's picking Scooby-Doo because everybody likes the show Scooby-Doo. I like watching Monster Jam better than Scooby-Doo. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That one does not work for it really well. But Scooby-Doo won because she knocked out that and all that. It's the first one to knock down most. And look, I even fell down too because I told you it's hard to put back up. My mom was trying to fix it too. Well, I'm getting monster trucks. Okay. Oh. I don't know what this one's name, but this one's and this one's the older Great Club Small Hawk Warrior. It's not even say Great Club on it. Okay, which one do you think's gonna win? Older one? Because everybody's picking the older Great Club Small Warrior because this one does not even have no roof on it. Oh my god. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I think this one won. I don't know what this one is called, but I just say this one. Stone Passion and
Did you do the red one? Right there?
oh, and the truck Great Digger. Here's the truck Great Digger. They're both trucks. Great Digger and Stone Crusher. Which one do you think is gonna win? Stone Crusher? Stone Crusher? Everybody's saying Stone Crusher because it has this cool design on it. And it even has a person on top of it too. On one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, which one? They both knocked down the tire, but Stone Crusher won because he went farther than Great Digger did. Okay, time for the World Finals. Next, it's going to be a championship. See who wins. Here is my here's my championship monster trucks. It's Megalodon, Great Digger, Stone Crusher, Altel Loco, Great Club Small Warrior, Bulldozer, Scooby-Doo, and Soldier Fortune. Okay, let's start with Megalodon and Great Digger. Okay, which one do you want to win? Great Digger? Oh yeah, I already told you. Great Digger is the most popular truck. Okay, let's go. Great Digger won. Again. Okay, let's start with Stone Crusher and Altel Loco. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Altel Loco won. But anyways, Stone Crusher won. Altel Loco won because it knocked down the tower. Okay, next is face up small boy of bulldozer. Which one do you want to win? Is it a small boy? Yeah, face up small boy is way cool. 3, 2, 1. Bulldozer won! And it's Scooby-Doo against Soldier Fortune. Which one do you want to win? So, the Soldier Fortune? Because Soldier... And, no. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Scooby-Doo won! Now it's the world finals. Okay, next is Alto Loco against Grave Digger. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, which one knocked down the tower? Alto Loco! Alto Loco's going to be in the World Finals. I mean, championship. Yeah, World Finals. Okay, Bulldozer against Scooby-Doo.
Redo.
That did not count. It's gonna be 3, 2, 1. Scooby-Doo won! Scooby-Doo against Alto Loco. Sorry, Bulldozer. Scooby-Doo against Bulldozer. Dun, dun, dun. Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1. Scooby-Doo won! If you Scooby-Doo won. If you guys want to watch my video again, go to YouTube.